This is a quick walkthrough tutorial for accessing your MyWooState account, where you will find your email and be able to access Blackboard, as well as many other resources available to you as a Worcester State University early college student. Start out by going to www.worcester.edu and clicking in the upper right-hand corner of the screen where it says MyWooState. That will take you to the Worcester State sign-in portal for MyWooState. Again, I want you to click on the button in the upper right-hand corner that says Account Login. This will take you to our first sign-in page for the MyWooState portal. On the right side of the screen, enter your unique username Worcester State University sent you via email to your school email. You should then enter your temporary password we sent in the same earlier email. Then click on the rectangle box labeled Sign In. Please know you may be prompted to change your temporary password to a more permanent password of your own choosing. Please remember, passwords are case sensitive and you should write down your new password in a safe place for later use. You will need it in the future to log in and access MyWooState portal, your Worcester State email, and your Blackboard account. The very first time you log in to MyWooState, you will see that Worcester State University requires multi-factor authentication, or MFA, to access certain web applications. Please be aware you only need to set up your multi-factor authentication the first time you log into MyWooState, and it is meant to protect your privacy and account access, and each of us as users are the first line of defense against someone up to no good accessing our account information. As such, keep your username and password to yourself and protect yourself. Log into the MFA setup with your Worcester State University email address. After login, you'll be redirected to a Microsoft MFA setup page where you will have to enter additional verification information. New users will see the following page requiring more information. Click Next. You will be asked for additional verification information. The available authentication methods are authentication phone, office phone, and mobile app. All three options are broken out on the screen. Using the drop-down menu, select the mode you want to use for multi-authentication in the future. Please note, most users select authentication phone, but you can also select office phone or the mobile app. Please note if you select the mobile app, you will need to go to apps on your phone and download the mobile app later. Assuming you select authentication phone, fill in any requested information and click on the rectangular box labeled Setup. Enter the phone number you wish to use. Choose Send me a code by text message or call me. Click Next. Send me code by text message will send a message with a 6-digit code to enter. Call me will make a computer-generated call that asks you to hit the pound button to authenticate. Follow the prompts to verify by the phone method you select. For the Send me a code by text message option, you will receive a text-digit message with a 6-digit code. Enter it to complete setup and select Verify. For the Call Me option, you will receive a phone call from 855-330-8653. When you answer the phone, An automated voice message will say, "Thank you for using Microsoft Sign-In Verification System. Please press the pound key to finish your verification." If you press the pound key and are successfully authenticated, then you will receive this message: "Your sign-in was successfully verified." Always be sure to click Next. For the Office phone authentication option, enter your phone office number and click Next. MFA will prompt verification via phone call to your office phone. Follow the prompts on the phone call. Again, you will receive a phone call from the number 855-330-8653. When you answer the phone, an automated voice message will say, "Thank you for using the Microsoft Sign-In Verification System. Please press the pound key to finish your verification." If you press the pound key and are successfully authenticated, you will then receive this message: "Your sign-in was successfully verified." If you chose Receive Notifications for Verification or Use Verification Code, click Next. Receive Notifications for Verification means your phone will pop up with a notification to tap a button to approve future sign-ins. Use Verification Code means you will be prompted to enter a 6-digit code from your phone to approve the device. A pop-up will appear with more instructions to install the Microsoft Authenticator. Once your device has been registered, click Next and verify it. If you chose Receive Notifications for Verification, you will get a prompt on the device you register. If you choose Verification Code, you will need to enter the one-time password code shown in the Microsoft Authenticator app within 30 seconds allotted. You'll be asked to provide your phone number in case you are unable to use the Authenticator app. Enter your cell phone number with the area code and click Next. After the initial MFA setup has been completed, you can now log into any application that requires it. An MFA prompt will look something like what is on the screen now. However, once your MFA is set up, logging into MyWooState account and accessing your Worcester State email and Blackboard will be much easier and faster than this first time. And remember, Worcester State makes us all do it the very first time, setting up a multi-authentication system to protect ourselves and maintain a safer and secure online system. If you selected Use a Different Verification option, this screen pops up, and you can then select to use the Microsoft Authentication application mentioned earlier. You can have a code via your mobile text sent, or have the code delivered through a phone call to your mobile device. Or if you have selected a landline telephone, such as your office phone, you can select to get your authentication code sent to you by a phone call. Once you have gone through the initial multi-factor authentication setup, you can now fully log into MyWooState portal and click on Blackboard. Then click on Log In Here. Enter your username and the new password and click Sign In. And now you are in Blackboard and should be able to see the course or courses in which you are enrolled. Click on your course title. And that takes you into your Blackboard course, at which point I encourage you to click around and explore the course your professor has set up for you to use for the semester.